we have the question, what is a mesosome in a prokaryotic cell? Mention the functions that it performs. So to understand about the mesosome in a prokaryotic cell, first of all we need to understand about the different coverings that are present around a prokaryotic cell. Basically, a prokaryotic cell is covered by three coverings. The outermost covering is called as the outermost covering is called as glycocalyx. Outermost covering is glycocalyx. Just below to this covering, the cell wall is present in the middle. This is the cell wall which is made up of peptidoglycans. And the innermost covering is called as plasma membrane. If we look at this plasma membrane in a prokaryotic cell, it is present in infolded forms. So this one is infolding, this one is infolding, this one is infolding. So this plasma membrane in prokaryotic cell is present in infolded forms, and these infoldings are towards the cytoplasm. So these plasma membrane or cell membrane invaginations inside the cytoplasm is called as mesosome. So these invaginations are mesosomes. So mesosomes were discovered by F. James in 1960s. Okay, the cell membrane of bacteria invaginates in cytoplasm at different regions and form mesosomes. So these plasma membrane enfoldings inside the cytoplasm is called as mesosomes. Okay, so these extensions are in the form of vesicles. If these are bag-like or sac-like, tubules if they are tube-like, or they may be in the form of lamellae, which connect different cell parts with each other. Okay. The another thing that is present inside the cytoplasm of prokaryotic cell is its nucleoid. Its nucleoid, which is the genetic material of the prokaryotic cell. This is nucleoid. Okay, nucleoid is the genetic material of prokaryotic cell. It is made up of generally circular DNA. So these mesosomes may connect with this nucleoid or may not connect with this nucleoid. So on the basis of their connection and structure with nucleoid, there are basically two types of mesosomes. The first one is lateral mesosome, and the second one is septal mesosome. Clear? So we will discuss about the structure and functions of different types of mesosomes. So first, lateral mesosome. So lateral mesosome do not connected with nucleoid. Okay. These mesosome contains respiratory pigments and enzymes. So they are also called as chondroid. They are also called as chondroid. Clear? According to their function and structure, they are believed to be equal to mitochondria of eukaryotes. Believed to be equal to mitochondria of eukaryotes. Why it is so? Because if we look at the structure of mitochondria of eukaryotes, it is comprised of two membrane coverings. First one is outer membrane. So this is the outer membrane of mitochondria, and just below to this the another membrane is present, which is called as inner membrane. Just like two mesosomes in case of prokaryotic cell, in mitochondria the inner membrane is also present in infolded form, and these infoldings are called as cristae. So these cristae contains enzymes for oxidative reactions and also provide site for the ETS, that is electron transport system. Similarly, in case of prokaryotes, these membrane enfolding, that is mesosomes, contain oxidative enzymes and also provide site for the electron transport system, that is ETS. So oxidative enzymes are present there. Clear? Now these are believed to be associated with secretory activities. Secretory activities. Clear? These mesosomes, that is lateral mesosomes, are present towards the periphery. That's why they are also called as peripheral mesosomes. Okay. They are also involved in cell wall secretion and other secretory activities. The next type of mesosome is septal mesosome. Second one is septal mesosome. This mesosome connect nucleoid with the plasma membrane. So it connect nucleoid with plasma membrane. Clear? Also take part in replication of nucleoid. Because it is attached with the nucleoid, and how it help in replication of nucleoid, it basically provide the point of attachment for the newly replicated ones. So provide point of attachment for newly replicated ones. In this way they help in replication of nucleoid. Okay. They are also believed to help in septum formation. septum formation. Clear? So these are the different types of mesosomes and their functions. Okay.